Hi, I am Arya. The Keto Diet Plan for weight loss is something that most people have heard about. In India, it is one of the best methods to get rid of excess weight while improving health. However, before we get into what to eat in keto diet, or how to start keto diet, let us understand what the keto diet really is. What is keto diet? The Keto Diet Plan is a very low-carb, high-fat diet. In fact, this diet shares similarities to the Atkins diet. The Keto Diet Plan includes severely reducing your intake of carbohydrates and increasing the intake of fat. This reduction in carbohydrates puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where the diet gets its name from. When your body is in the state of ketosis, it is better to burn fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy to the brain. Ketogenic diets cause reductions in blood sugar levels and insulin levels and increase ketones, which has many health benefits. List of healthy foods to include in your weight loss diet. Research shows that the Keto Diet Plan is far superior compared to other often recommended low-fat diet. One of the benefits of the Keto Diet menu is that it is very filling, and hence you won't feel like you are starving. You can actually lose weight without keeping track of every bite you take or counting the calories of every food item. Several studies have proven the efficacy of the Keto Diet Plan. One study found that people on a ketogenic diet lost 2.2 times more weight than those on a calorie-restricted low-fat diet. Another study found that people on the ketogenic diet lost 3 times more weight than those on the diet recommended by Diabetes UK. Source: the reason the keto diet is so popular is because it not only helps in weight loss, but also helps in general health improvement and wards of metabolic diseases. What you should know before starting the keto diet. Following are the basics of the Keto Diet Plan for weight loss. The diet aims to eliminate carbs, hence you should have 30 grams of carbs or less per day. Your staples should include items like meat, cheese, eggs, nuts, oils, avocados, oily fish and cream. Since fat sources are high in calories, your meals should contain low-carb veggies. It is important for you to plan your diet properly and carry snack with you on the go, as low-carb food may be hard to find. As ketosis changes fluid and mineral balance, it is important to add enough salt and maybe take electrolytes. For faster results, ketone salt supplements can be taken. As with all diets, it is important to monitor and track your progress and stay focused and consistent with your diet. Another important factor to know before starting the Keto Diet Plan for weight loss is whether it is really suitable for you. Different diets suit different kinds of people based on tastes, lifestyles, and preferences. For example, if you are someone who dislikes high-fat foods but prefers carbs, then this diet may be tough for you. Keto diets are also hard for vegetarians or vegans, as meat, eggs, fish and dairy products play a key role in this diet. Hence, make sure you take the right decision for your health and body. What to eat in keto diet to lose weight. Following is the list of foods that are keto diet friendly. Meat plays a very important role in the keto diet. Hence, red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken and turkey are staples. Fish such as salmon, trout, mackerel and tuna are good in a keto diet menu. Dairy is a must in the keto diet. Cheese, butter and cream are the essentials. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds form an important part of the meal too. Vegetables with a low percentage of carbohydrates such as green veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. can be included in the keto diet. Salt, pepper, and various other healthy spices and herbs can be added for the purpose of seasoning. Keto-friendly beverages include water, sparkling water, unsweetened coffee. Foods to avoid in keto diet for weight loss. In the Keto Diet Plan for weight loss, make sure to avoid unhealthy fats like margarine, shortening and vegetable oils, processed foods like fast food, packaged foods and processed meats, and diet food that contain artificial colors, preservatives, and sweeteners. The following foods should be avoided. Baked goods such as cookies, donuts, rolls, white breads and whole wheat bread. Foods with high sugar content such as sugar, ice cream, maple syrup, agave syrup, and coconut sugar. Sweetened beverages like soda, juice, teas and sports drinks. Starchy vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, peas and pumpkin. Beans and legumes such as black beans, chickpeas, lentils and kidney beans. Fruits like grapes, bananas, citrus and pineapple. Alcoholic beverages like beer and sugary mixed drinks. Although it seems like a lot of food items are restricted, there are a variety of meals that can be created, which are tasty, as well as adhere to the Keto Diet Plan. There is a variety of foods that can be used to make tasty meals that are also in keeping with the Keto Diet Plan. 15-day Keto Diet Plan for weight loss. Day 1, Monday. Breakfast, 3 egg omelets with spinach, cheese, and sausage/scrambled eggs. Lunch, bacon, lettuce, tomato salad/Asian meat salad. Dinner, baked salmon with asparagus/pesto chicken salad. Day 2, Tuesday. Breakfast, cheese roll-up/bacon and eggs. Lunch, caprese omelet/spinach salad. Dinner, meat pie/cheese stuffed bunless burgers. Day 3, Wednesday. Breakfast, egg muffins/frittata with fresh spinach. Lunch, no noodle chicken soup/cottage cheese and walnuts. Dinner, meatloaf/carbonara. Day 4, Thursday. Breakfast, dairy-free latte/fried eggs with greens. Lunch, tuna salad lettuce wrap/avocado, bacon and cheese salad. Dinner, keto pizza/slaw hash. Day 5, Friday. Breakfast, fat coffee/mushroom omelet. Lunch, smoked salmon plate/spam fries and coleslaw. Dinner, meat tacos/tortillas with salsa. Day 6, Saturday. Breakfast, baked bacon omelet/cheesy scrambled eggs. Lunch, quesadillas/pork roast and roasted veggies. Dinner, taco salad/Asian cabbage stir-fry. Day 7, Sunday. Breakfast, avocado baked eggs/pancakes with berries. Lunch, Italian keto plate/chicken and hummus lettuce wrap. Dinner, Philly cheesesteak casserole/pork chops with green beans and garlic butter. Day 8, Monday. Breakfast, no bread keto sandwich/fried eggs with sautéed greens. Lunch, bunless burger with cheese, avocados and mushrooms/tuna salad with boiled eggs. Dinner, hamburger patties with creamy sauce/pork roast and roasted veggies. Day 9, Tuesday. Breakfast, coffee with butter and oil/mushroom omelet. Lunch, tuna salad with celery and tomato/roast beef and cheddar plate. Dinner, fried salmon with broccoli and cheese/roast chicken with broccoli. Day 10, Wednesday. Breakfast, cheese stuffed bell peppers/coconut porridge. Lunch, shrimp and artichoke plate/arugula salad with eggs. Dinner, grilled salmon with spinach/chicken casserole. Day 11, Thursday. Breakfast, egg muffins/yogurt with granola. Lunch, steak bowl with veggies/cauliflower soup. Dinner, bunless cheeseburger/steak with cheesy broccoli. Day 12, Friday. Breakfast, baked avocados with eggs/boiled eggs with mayonnaise. Lunch, Caesar salad/shrimp salad with olive oil and avocado. Dinner, pork chops with vegetables/chicken stuffed with pesto and cheese and veggies. Day 13, Saturday. Breakfast, bacon and eggs/cauliflower toast with cheese and avocado. Lunch, chicken salad with olive oil and feta cheese/salmon filled avocados. Dinner, ribeye steak with vegetables/meatballs with zucchini and cheese. Day 14, Sunday. Breakfast, ham and cheese omelet/egg, tomato, basil and goat cheese omelet. Lunch, white fish, egg and spinach/Cobb salad with greens. Dinner, coconut chicken curry/steak and eggs with salad. Day 15, Monday. Breakfast, sugar-free yogurt with peanut butter/bacon, eggs and tomatoes. Lunch, burger with salsa, cheese/meat stir-fry with vegetables. Dinner, salmon with asparagus/chicken salad with olive oil and feta cheese. Supplements that can be taken. Exogenous ketones help provide your body with extra ketones that can get you back into ketosis at any time. MCT, which stands for medium chain triglyceride, are precursors to ketones and are beneficial for weight loss, energy gain and digestion. Micronutrient supplements are good replacement of starchy fruits and vegetables that you cannot consume during the keto diet. Healthy keto snack options. Almonds and cheddar cheese. Half an avocado stuffed with chicken salad. Guacamole with low-carb veggies. Trail mix made with unsweetened coconut, nuts and seeds. Hard-boiled eggs. Coconut chips. Kale chips. Olives and sliced salami. Celery and peppers with herbed cream cheese dip. Berries with heavy whipping cream. Cheese roll-ups. Parmesan crisps. Macadamia nuts. Greens with high-fat dressing and avocado. Keto smoothie made with coconut milk, cocoa and avocado. Avocado cocoa mousse. Conclusion. The popularity of the Keto Diet Plan in India has made it possible to access a variety of recipes and meals to be available online that can be customized to your own tastes and preferences. Ensure to have a balance of about 75% of fat, 20% of protein, and less than 5% of carbohydrates. By keeping this meal plan as a guide, go ahead and start your keto diet now. And remember, like with all diets, ensure to stay positive and committed towards your goal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information about these.